Hey there, Tall Man Clan. Welcome back. Today we are on the MSC Seashore. We're going to be looking at deck 7. As you can see, we are right here. We're going to walk to the right, keep to the right, and show you this entire deck. So let's get started. First, there's this right here. Life Park and Vacation Area. We can't go there. We tried that on the last deck and alarms started going off. So let's go this way. We have some public restrooms, stairs, someone getting married. Congratulations.
Did you guys see any portholes as you've been walking?
Portholes. Yeah. Down on deck 6 on both sides.
Okay.
And the restaurants, they're nice looking too.
Oh, okay.
And just walk right in.
Cool. All right.
Right?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Congratulations.
Maybe we'll find like some bars.
All right, so we're on the left now, but here's your 5th Avenue restaurant. This is one of their upscale restaurants, I believe, yes. So we'll give you a little peek in here. Or maybe this is for the suites people or the people in the yacht club. I'm not sure. We'll have to ask and find out who gets to eat in the 5th Avenue restaurant, because it looks like the regular restaurant, right? They got table numbers, their names, menus, and all that stuff.
Yeah,
But
it does look like it. Yeah, it does.
Yeah, it's just a
Beautiful though.
It's a quaint little restaurant.
Yeah.
I like it. But obviously, somebody special gets to eat in here. You're special. All right. That's an interesting dress, huh? Okay. Oh, wow, look at this, everybody. That's
Nice
going to
little
mess with you,
antiques. Ooh, look at this.
right?
Yeah.
Ooh, don't come out here after a few cocktails. Oh, wow, look at that.
Oh, interesting.
That's kind of neat.
Yeah.
The background's moving like you're actually floating.
Yeah, so you can take a little video
Yeah.
of yourself. That's
great. Hey, Mom, look, I'm in a hot air balloon.
I love it. What would you do on your cruise?
And it says this is the Manhattan restaurant. Of course, I believe the band's in there practicing. Didn't we already see the Manhattan restaurant? What was the first restaurant that we went to down on deck 5 or deck 6? I can't even remember now.
Five.
It's another quaint little dining experience. Yeah, well, it does go back a little ways. But yeah, nice, a smaller venue. Nice. Different personality in here.
Yeah.
We will have to ask who gets to eat at all these restaurants. We're at Tribeca. Here we go. All right, and this is the Cabaret Rouge, which, I'll be honest, we haven't made it back here yet. And there's somebody in here practicing, so I'm probably going to have to mute this entire thing. So let's stay to the right. Yeah. Yeah, YouTube's not going to like that music. Oh, nice. You can get through to the other side here. All right, well, we can talk again. They were in there practicing. I thought I might get them off the drum kit and let me on there, but
No,
that didn't happen.
But you know, if you're going to aggravate YouTube, you might as well aggravate them all the way.
Yeah, no, that whole thing's going to have to be muted. So they were in there practicing Purple Rain. Obviously, they're picking up a new song, and I have played that song more times than I can remember. Anyway, little do they know I'm a rock star. All right, so we are approaching the right side now. We sort of started over there, and we had a jig jog over to this side. So we're now moving forward onto the right side. So I think they call this area the champagne bar, even though there's usually champagne bottles hanging out here. They're fake
I believe
bottles.
it's over there.
Yeah, they're fake bottles.
Gotcha.
This is the extension. Oddly enough, that's real ice, so maybe they were real bottles. But the actual champagne bar is over there, which we'll see in just a second. But yeah, just a nice seating area over here. And it looks down the seating area we saw when we were on deck 6. Okay. You can use the stairs here in the atrium to go up further or down, one of the two. Okay. If you forgot your glasses or your watch, well, you can go here and get a new one. Glasses and watches. All right. So we are going to walk through, I think, the casino. I would say, personally, and again, I'm not, Lisa and I, neither of us are really gamblers, but I feel that this casino is a little bit on the smaller side for a ship this size. Yeah, I just don't think this one is as big as some of the other casinos that we've seen at sea. Okay? So you do have banks of machines over here. We'll show you the other side. The other side is all where all the tables are. We'll show you that. Here's the Statue of Liberty. And I guess it's because we're in the Bahamas at their private island that the machines are actually on. Normally when we're in port, the machines aren't on, but they're currently on. All right, so here is the, we just came out of the Signature Casino. The Madison Theater. Here is the top floor. If you saw us doing deck 6, well, we showed this theater from the deck 6 perspective. But here's the deck 7 perspective, right? I'd love to sit right over here, I think. Right over here, right? There you go. There's these cool little loft areas. I don't want to call them loft areas, but sort of raised up here in the back. I think it would be okay as long as people don't stand in front of you. All right, so there's your deck 7 view of the theater. So let's cross over to the other side. Ring off to the other side. All right, so again, we started back over here, and we're now up here. You can come out of these elevators and go to the casino right here, which we were just on the side. But you can also get there from here. All access to the casino. And here's the other entrance to the theater on this side. Okay? So we'll just go down here so you can see the tables. Lisa, do you want to go look down there and see if there's any signs for what the tables are?
Sure.
I mean, obviously some of them are easy to pick out. We got craps, Dream 21, Unlimited Texas Hold'em, Blackjack, got roulette down there, and Baccarat. So a nice, there's your cage over there. Again, roulette, Baccarat. I think these are probably just mimicking the other side. 3-card poker, Dream 21. This is Blackjack, another Blackjack.
That's Ultimate Texas
Ultimate
Hold'em.
Texas Hold'em, and another, what is this? Another Blackjack. Oh yeah, it's got some nice tables here. I already
See,
looked at all these.
There's things like 3-card poker.
Yep.
Okay.
Yep, I already got all of these. We're trying to hush out of here or hurry out of here because we're not supposed to be videoing in the casino. I thought they were closed. All right. Again, I'm not sure if the camera picks it up, but there's a ramp here. I mean, look, I'm pretty close to the ceiling here, but this ramp is going to put me even closer. Right? No, the ceiling, I guess, comes up with it too, Lisa. Sometimes the ceilings don't come up. The ceiling came up with that rise. All right, so let's go over to the right. Here is your champagne bar, which is currently closed. Champagne bar. Nice. You know, some seating that goes all the way down there. Okay. And then another little place to put bottles of champagne. Nice little seating area as well. Okay. And that is it. We have gone 360 on deck 7. And the cabaret, mind you, was 2 floors. It's deck 7 and deck 6, but you cannot access this from deck 6. It's only accessible from deck 7. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed that. And until we see you on the next one or on the next deck, be safe.